We have in the studio here Jennifer Ammons, who is the General Counsel of the Department of Driver Services. She is the head attorney in the Department of Driver Services. Also, we have William Bubba Head, also here in the studio, who is one of the nation's leading criminal defense attorneys for DUI. We're talking about a couple of changes in the Georgia law. It's important that you are brought up to speed and know that the law as it relates to driver's licenses is changing. They're now going to a secure ID, which is extremely important. You have to bring new things to the driver services when you're getting your driver's license. Let's go out to the phone lines and talk to Latoya in McDonough. Thanks for calling. Latoya? Yeah, you there? Yeah, I hear you fine. Okay. Great question.
Great question. We've actually got that addressed in the frequently asked questions section on our website. Some of the things that kids can use are the license or ID card of a parent or a guardian. They can also bring in your tax return that shows that they're your dependent, and that would be acceptable. Also, if your child is under the age of 18, he's going to need to bring in documentation about him being enrolled in school, and we'll accept that as well. So any two of those would be two great things that he could bring.
People are going to have a lot of questions about how it affects all their different situations, whether you're a legal immigrant that's legally able to reside here, whether you're a minor, whether you're an elder person, or whether or not it says like Don said, it's my 7th time being documented by my 80th agency. Everybody's got different questions. Very important you go onto the website and print out your checklist, and my advice to you before we kind of flip a little bit and talk about some of the other laws that are changing is don't wait to the last minute. If you have anything, you've been put on notice. You're going to have to get your documents in order. It's not going to be as easy as just going online like the old days and just clicking and sending in the credit card, right? Real fast, Bubba, if we were looking at this, how is this going to change anything with people driving possibly without licenses? Because if people put it off and they don't have a license, could that be a crime?
Well, it is a crime. If you're driving and you're not licensed because you didn't renew it, it's just expired, that's one thing. If it's totally suspended or revoked, that's another, more serious penalties. So not having it on your person is a very minor thing. That should just be a ticket and you're issued and you can go to court on that. But getting this done takes quite a bit of planning, and it's not like it used to be.
Okay, so when we come back, we're going to talk about some of the new crimes you could face. Don't go anywhere. You're listening to News Talk WSB.